I thought the restaurant that we reserved was less expensive.
To reserve. Reserve.
To use. Use.
Oh, I'm so tired. I just want to sleep, and that bed looks so comfortable. I can unpack my things tomorrow. Wait, I need my pajamas.
No, you don't need to pay extra for breakfast.
Bring.
To Ben only brought one shirt and one pair of pants on his trip. He doesn't want to do laundry because he has nothing to wear while he waits.
Wow, this hotel room is nice. It even has a little fridge full of drinks. They probably cost extra. I'll ask the staff at the front desk.